Greetings everyone. In this quick tutorial I want to just do a brief overview of the navigation bar on the left hand side of Act Premium Cloud. Over here on the left hand side we have welcome, contacts, groups, and more information down here. I urge you to take a look at all of this information. Just go click on them and see where it takes you. A couple things about this bar. One, to free up some space you can shrink it in by clicking on this arrow, and when I do that you'll see now I just have the icons. To bring it back out, I can click on the arrow to bring it back out. If you look further down the list, you'll see there's a quick shortcut area that is down at the bottom. What I find really awkward about this little area here is just from a design point of view. It's down on the left hand side and it's rare when my eye goes there. I really wish this information right here was up top, at the top of the area. I just don't visually go down there. Having said that, when I'm on this navigation bar, we can click on these three little arrows right here to configure what is in this list. We can turn things off by unchecking them. We can also click on things, and the things we might use most over on the left, we can move them up or down. So we can move those items around or remove the things you just never use. And you can do this on an individual basis in your version or as your sign-in of Act Premium Cloud if you have multiple users. So you can adapt this to the way you work. So the navigation bar is one of those things that I find certain things I click on, certain things I get to in other ways, and it's just habit. It's just the way you're used to doing things. So just want to introduce this to you. If you want to do a quick search down here, you can choose the field you want to search. I just personally don't ever really use this. Some people do. It's just what you're used to. I tend to go to look up and find things this way. It's just, to me, an easier way. So a little bit of an overview of the navigation bar on the left hand side of Act. There's not a whole lot there that you can't go in and just try for yourself, but I want to point a few things out to you. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Bye now.